Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer mode on the device so the system will expose USB debugging. Go to Settings, About Phone, and tap build number 7 times. You'll see a brief confirmation. Once done, enter your lock PIN or pattern to confirm. Make sure Developer Options is visible in Settings now. This step unlocks the controls you need. Without it, USB debugging is unavailable. So complete this before moving to the USB connection and permission steps. You enable USB debugging inside Developer Options. Find and flip the USB debugging switch so the device listens for ADB connections. Then plug the phone into your computer with a good data USB cable, and if asked, select File Transfer or PTP to allow data channels. When the computer attempts to connect, watch the device for an RSA fingerprint dialog and accept it to authorize this host. Once accepted, the computer can run ADB commands. Make sure to keep the screen unlocked during the handshake. You finish by verifying the connection. Open a terminal on the computer and run ADB devices. You should see your device ID and status. If it's listed as unauthorized, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reconnect to reprompt the RSA dialog. Make sure you have the correct OEM drivers or Android platform tools on your PC. If things go wrong, try another USB cable or port and check the phone's USB mode. Those simple fixes resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.